Okay, morning, folks. Not quite strong enough to make the brown elephant start rattling, but I think it's getting there. This is the overnight chart, and you can see these fronts here gave us the rain that came through and sort of cleared itself, I suppose, about 6 o'clock this morning, with odd showers after it. So the midday one shows it's well past us, and we're into this southwesterly airflow. Look at the spacing on the isobars; they're quite close. So as you can imagine, it's fairly windy, and I can actually hear it out there now. It's pretty breezy. And the other interesting thing to note is the warm front here has started to develop a kink on it. That's the start of a low pressure developing over northern Spain. And you can see it develops overnight. And then for tomorrow, whistling in across us. It's all being driven in by fairly strong jet stream over the top of us. So the task today for Farnborough are saying 180, 12 knots. I think that's sort of a very average wind. It's more like about 15 knots average at the moment. Scattered at 1,500 feet, and tempo between 10 and 12, rain and drizzle. Well, there doesn't appear to be any showers too close to us at the moment, but we might get caught with one. And prob 30 tempo between 11 and 4 o'clock this afternoon, 15 gusting 25. That's actually gone down a bit from earlier forecasts, which were saying 16 gusting 26. So it's going to be at times 25 knots gusts. So pretty breezy. And the upper winds, as you can see from the 214, 190, 200 upper winds across us, somewhere between 35 and 40 knots. So pretty windy at 2,000 feet. It's going to stay like that most of the day. The Lasham weather currently is showing, there's the average speed, as I say, it's 14, 15 knots. Gusts currently a little over 20, 23. They'll probably go to 25. It was windy yesterday for a bit, yeah. It'll be the same sort of numbers today, probably. Sat pic shows clear in places. There's odd little showers just tucked in here and there, but nothing too substantial. I think when it says scattered at 1,500 feet, here it might be a little bit lower during the day for most of the day. And there's no real rain. See, this has disappeared past us, and there's nothing really out to the south of us that's likely to affect us. So I think we'll be unlucky if we saw a shower today. Top Meteo, less optimistic. They're sort of showing, that's 10 o'clock, showers across here, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, still some more showers. So they're showing much more showery air mass than it actually appears to be. If you were looking at this solely, you'd think it wouldn't actually be flyable. It'll be showery all day. The cloud amounts, they're showing sort of what you'd expect, sort of spread out, low level cloud, cumulus 12, 1,500 feet probably for most of the day. And just rolling it on for tomorrow. Rain clearing for a little bit, but then coming through again by sort of early afternoon. And I think cloudy for most of the day, to be honest. As you can see, I think there might be a flyable window tomorrow, but that's if we're really optimistic. So windy today, folks, southwesterly. I'm thinking not too probable that we're going to get any rain. Top Meteo is a bit more pessimistic, say we're going to get showers. We'll just see how it goes. If we decide it's good enough, the cloud base gets high enough to go out and fly, it'll be K21s only, no single seaters, no K13s. And we'll see how it goes. Operationally, we'll see if I think we're on 2-3 with the winch offset, hopefully, if the ground isn't too damp. There's no jet movements, but there will be jets parked to the end of the runway. Are they there yet?
No, I don't think so.
No, yeah. Okay, but they will be parked to the end of 27 while they shuffle things over to EE. And that's about it, really. Nothing else going on the airfield that we know about. Right. Either see you out there or see you at the briefing tomorrow.